Hello, good morning. My name is Madison Katmajo. My presentation is Ethic and Social in Responsibility in International Business. Okay, next. Number one, understanding the fundamental of international business ethics. Number one, business ethics are the moral principles that guide business conducts, ensuring alignment with the value of fairness, honesty and responsibility in the global context. Ethics become more interesting owing to the variance in cultures, legislation and norms across nations. Number two, why is business ethics significant in international business? Number one, mitigating cross-cultural conflicts that may jeopardize the company reputation. Next, fostering relationship with international stakeholders, including government, local communities, and investors. Increasing trust among global customers who are increasingly concerned about ethic issues. And mitigating legal risks associated with violating international standards. Number three, characteristic of international business. Next, business ethic embrace relativism as moral standard different across countries, and multifaceted and confessing economic, social, cultural, political, and environmental dimension. And strategy as good ethic can profit a competitive advantage. Number two, ethical dilemmas in global commerce. Number one, cultural relativism. What is regarded as acceptable in one nation may be professed and unethical in another. The tradition of presenting business gift is considered courteous in Japan. However, it might be perceived as bribery in the United States. Number two, corruption and bribery practices in certain countries. Informal cultural may endorse facilitation payment, where is other such practice are considered significant violation. Number three, human rights include child labor, gender discrimination, and inadequate wages. Environmental deterioration. Multinational companies something move factories to countries with lack environmental regulation and resulting in pollution. And number five, immoral product selling, dangerous product and drugs without complete clinical trial in developing countries. Next, managing ethic and multinational enterprise. Number one, formalization formulating a global code of ethics entails the creation of official document that delineates the company behavior standard across all operational countries. Number two, employer ethic training, supporting employers in addressing ethical dilemmas within a cross-cultural context. Number three, commitment from top management. The CEO and leadership must exemplify ethical behavioral in the implementation of ethic. Number four, a forsake and reporting framework and create a whistleblowing mechanism so that employers can report the violation safety. Number five, assessment and adaptation to local regulation and aligning ethical policies with the cultural normal and regulation of the country in which the company operates. Next, corporate social responsibility atau CSR in global business. Number one, defining CSR, the organization dedication to fostering sustainable economic development will improving the quality of life for employers, local communities, and the global society. Number two, aspect of CSR. Number one, economy. Business must persist in generating robust profits and legal adherence to the law in all countries of operation, and ethics, yaitu melakukan hal yang benar meski tidak diwajibkan hukum. Number 5, philanthropy, the act of making voluntary contribution to society. Number 3, CSR approach, social obligation, simply meeting fundamental responsibilities such as tax payment, and stakeholder obligation, meeting the interests of all stakeholders rather than solely those of shareholder. CSR a moral obligation and managerial process. Corporate social responsibility as a fundamental element of sustainable business strategy. Number 4, illustration of global CSR implementation, and multinational corporation implement educational initiatives for local communities and mitigating carbon footprint via renewable energy source. Next, an advantage of ethics and corporate social responsibility for multinational corporation. Number 1, enhancing the global reputation of the company with its ethical foster greater trust among consumer and investor and business partner. Number 2, mitigating legal and social risks, preventing finance boycotts or disputes with local communities. And number 3, fostering employer loyalty. Employees exhibit increased pride in their association with a company that prioritize ethical standard. Number 4, establishing competitive advantage. Ethics and corporate social responsibility can function as distinguishing factor that empower a company to thrive in the global marketplace. The long-term sustainability of business organization the implicit environmental and social responsibility will demonstrates greater resilience during time of crisis.